Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your transaction history on Rapids Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rapids Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your wallet already, you can use the import wallet option. You can then tap on enter wallet list and then choose your wallet, and you will be asked to enter your password or provide your biometrics. After using either one of these, you will be taken into your wallet homepage. Now from this page, in order to clear your transaction history, tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner. You will now see the clear transaction cache at the very first. Just tap on this option and you will be told that all your transaction records have been removed. You can simply now tap on the OK button and you will see that all of your transaction has now been removed from your history as well as your address book. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your transaction history on Rapids Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.